Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to title your eBay listing. Now let's get it started. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on selling in bottom right corner and this will open your selling section, and under the selling section you can see the disclaimer. To create a listing, please list on the website. To go to the website, simply scroll down and here you can see learn more. Tap on it. Choose the browser that you prefer. I'm going to use Edge for now. Tap on it. Then it will take you to the seller center. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and go to the selling option. Now tap on start selling on eBay. Scroll down and over here you can see start selling. Tap on it. Now tap on list an item. Now enter the name of item that you want to sell. For example, I'm going to sell data cable. You can see few other options over here that will help you to make name of your item more unique or specific. Once you are done, tap on search button. Now choose the category of your item. Then eBay will ask you to find the match of your product. You can either match the item or continue without the match. I'm going to continue without the match. Tap on continue without the match. Now you will have to confirm the condition of your item. Either it's a new, open box, seller reversed, or used. For parts or working, mine is used, so I'm going to tapping on used. Then tap on continue to listing. Once you're on the listing form, start adding your product details. I'm leaving it as it is. Then move to the title section. It's over here. You can edit the title by simply tapping on it. To create a great title, make sure it's a clear, descriptive, and uses important keywords that buyers will search for. For example, include the brand, model, size, and condition of the item. I'm going to keep it data cable. Brilliant. Brilliant is the brand name. Remember to use relevant keywords but avoid keywords stuffing. Stick to the important information that helps the buyer to find your item quickly. Remember, eBay allows up to 80 characters for the title, so make sure you stay within the limit while including all the essential details. And that's how you title your eBay listing. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.